want to cancel NFL shop order, in this video I will guide you on how you can cancel NFL shop order. Now the first thing you want to do is open up any web browser and head over to nflshop.com. Make sure to log into your account, then tap on this profile icon at the top right corner. If you haven't logged into your account, make sure to do that. Now you will find the option of order history. Go ahead and select view/track order option. Now here, as long as your order is considered eligible for order modification, you will have the ability to select need to modify order. Tap on that. From there, you will need to select cancel order option. When choosing cancel order, you'll be presented with the below screen. You simply want to choose the option of reason for cancellation. Once a reason code has been selected, click cancel order. Once all the items in the order are cancelled, the screen will be refreshed and the updated order status will be presented. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.